Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, back at my favorite place, Superior Auto Sales, sascard.com. Disclaimer, I do not work for them. They just allow me to record your vehicle, which I am very, very grateful for. But in the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps out my channel. And if you leave a comment, I will always respond back. I'm not one of these guys who just puts a heart for the comment that you left. I like to interact with my subscribers. Or even if you don't subscribe and leave a comment, I'll still write something back. But in the meantime, if you're into high-end luxury cars, I'm talking, I don't mean like just regular Mercedes and stuff like that. I'm talking high-end Mercedes, like Maybach. Yeah, they got one here, pointed it out to me, and there it is, a 2018. This car is flat out gorgeous. Oh, V12. This thing, if you want luxury, this is the way to go. Man, this car is stunning. And I like the color combo with the interior on it. Oh man, do I. The V12 in this is ridiculous. It is a 2012. Sorry boys and girls, but yes, I do have to cover up some of the VIN. Sorry kids. But yeah, 2018, I mean, I'm sorry. But yeah, this thing it's big. I mean, big doors. Yeah, there's your Maybach. Yeah, you're going to hear the heater and some things in the background. I mean, even though it is a Saturday, they're still doing business like usual. But yeah, I mean, this is such a hot car. An S650, if you know somebody who has one or you're taking a ride in one, leave a comment down below. But yeah, I mean, it's just the windows are so dark. But there's another reason, because they have something else in it that makes those windows even extra dark. But man, this car is beautiful. When it came in, I have no idea. But I'm sure you could probably find this on their website, because if it's got that on the front of it, it's up for sale. Yes, it is. But yeah, I'm going to walk through this car some. And I got to be very careful because it is on the right where the lift is. I'm sure they're servicing it. I got to be careful here with the door. I mean, beautiful. I love how that lights up. But the interior, oh, this is so nice. And I love the color combination with the wood, the black, the tan leather, this cream color. And the best part of my job, getting in it. There are buttons for everything. Oh my god. Yeah, here's the keys. Yeah, I mean, what all this stuff does, your guess is good as mine. But the one thing I love that they do with these cars, they leave a classic analog clock in them. Glad that they do that. That showed me class and style. Also with the buttons on the steering wheel. How many miles are on this car? I have no idea. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure this all lights up. Whoop. Trying to open it and I'm closed and stuff. Battery or phone charger, I'm sure right there. What else is underneath here? I mean, some other charging ports, which is cool. But yeah, I mean, it just smells so nice in here. And I love this huge panoramic roof. The smell on this car, you just can't. The smell of the leather gets to you. It's so nice. But yeah, I mean, the wood steering wheel. Don't ask me what it gets to the gallon. I have no idea. But if you can afford a car like this, you can afford the gas that goes in it. But yeah, this car is beautiful. And that is for the trunk. Let's see how big it is. Okay, now I recorded another Maybach, but that one was bulletproof. This right here, and it's got to be like some kind of refrigeration or something. I have no idea, but I don't know. But it even comes with leather pillows. All the Maybach floor mats. Some kind of kit right there. A roadside kit. Some of these pillows haven't even been used. They're still in the plastic. Bass speaker. It's cool. You just... and there goes the compressor just like clockwork. Power. Gotta love that. Time to get in this thing because it is getting loud. It is Saturday here. I'm gonna climb in. Hopefully I don't get the floor too dirty, because this will let you know how loud that is. You barely hear anything. They got these screens up right here. Keep the sunlight out, but all these beautiful LED lights, and it just got dark. Another phone charger right here. Another center console, and this is cool. I have to open the door. It's gonna get a little loud if I can get out of this thing, because I need some light. The tray tables. These are so cool. And then just flip them open. And there's one for each side. I mean, if you want to eat while you're on the road, you got a laptop, you got some business to do, because this is a straight up business class car. Oh, and these little pillows. Oh my God, these things are so comfortable. Oh, but yeah, I mean, these TVs right here. This is so nice. This is pure luxury. Take it and put it straight back. Back in there it goes. Yeah, then you just shut it down. But like I said, this is... Oh, it's got wine glasses. Check that out. Oh, man. I don't know what... That's not opening. But I'm guessing that's got to be some kind of refrigeration, which is in the back of this. Why does that not want to close now? I think that made it pop out. And what that's for, I have no idea. But that is supposed to close, but I will get that closed after I'm done. But yeah, but these little pillows are nice and soft. They're a regular cloth, not leather. And even little side windows right here. They even got little sunscreens on them. Man, this is baller. I don't care what anybody says. Little pockets. I'm sure this seat goes forward and reclines. But I mean, it's cup holders. What these things are, I don't know. I'll start pushing buttons and I won't know what it does. Soft close. You gotta love that. Man. Full electronics, removable seats. Oh, man. This car is so cool. Yeah, time to go to the passenger side here. Even a passenger, if you're just a passenger in this car on that side. Oh, yeah, this car is so cool. Man, could you imagine driving around in a car like this all the time? Like, having this be your everyday, so I'm going to chauffeur you around. Good Lord. Glove box, anything special? Nope, just a glove box. Oh, what that is, I have no... What the heck is this? Some kind of oil for something. I don't... If you guys know what that is, leave a comment. Because I have no idea. And there's like some kind of button here. I am not pushing that, because no, my luck, something will pop open. I won't be able to close it like those wine glasses. Which I will figure out how to close it. But yeah, in the meantime, though, I do want to open the hood on this and show you what a big V12 looks like and stuffed in a car like this. Oh, man. If I can get it open. So, let's see. That's the parking brake. I have no idea where it is. Found the trunk. I'm feeling for it. I don't feel anything. Ah, found it. Oh, yeah. Probably not going to be the easiest to open either. Oh, nice and easy. Yeah. They have covered this car up a lot, so you can't see anything. But there's a V12 underneath all this plastic, fantastic. the work on it, I'm sure, was probably not the easiest. I'm probably sure it's a little better once you get rid of all this plastic stuff. And it's a lot of fun to play with. But yeah, unfortunately, this is all I can show you for it. So, but yep, time to close it up. All right, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you like this card as much as I did, because I love playing with cards like that. But like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.